I finally got myself a new mattress and it changed everything. My sleep had been suffering since getting our old mattress, so I knew it was time for an upgrade. Naturally, I wanted to make sure I got the best mattress on the market after spending so much on my last mattress. I found Savvy Rest and learned they use GOTS certified organic cotton and wool in their mattress casing, the wool acting as a natural flame barrier, so no toxic chemicals. They also use comfortable and supportive layers of natural latex in the mattress. The reviews are amazing, and after talking with them, I knew it was the right choice. And let me tell you all, after sleeping on this mattress, I am going to be putting one in every bedroom. I love that I'm not compromising sleep or health. This mattress prioritizes both.